Hey, 808, 809 Geography. This is Mr. Maillet here coming to you at home with an update for what I'm looking for from you this week. So far, only about 15, 16 checked out your Power Workspace and reached out to me on email. So if you haven't done that yet, please jump in, complete that Google Geography survey in Google Forms. And there's an easy task there. Read a quick article and tell me about it. And then there's some videos from last week about rural to urban migration and megacities and growth and trends that way. This week, we're going to continue on that same topic, moving into the idea of sustainability and how humans impact the environment. But before we get there, we need to understand, um, you know, population density and why people settle where they settle. So, why do cities appear where they appear, and what patterns can we see from that? And from those trends, and how our cities have grown and developed and organized. So as you can see here on your Power Workspace, your first video here is on population density. So watch that video, make sure you understand population density, right? Then complete the two readings here. So I've got two readings after that. One settlement patterns that go with population density, and the next reading is on population density, and that'll describe sparse, moderate, and dense populations and what each means. And you can figure out what Ottawa is, say, after you do that. And then once you've done that reading, there is a population density worksheet. And in that worksheet, there is a table. And I want you to calculate the population density of 15 countries around the world. And basically, to calculate population density, what you're going to do is you're going to divide the total population by the total area in kilometers squared. I've given you all the data. All you need to do is actually punch it into a calculator and fill it out. And I want you to round that number to the nearest whole number. So if you have a 0.1 to a 0.4, I want you to round down. If you have a 0.5 to a 0.9, you get to round up. And then after that, I want you to tell me if it's sparse, moderate, or dense. And that answer will be found in your reading. It'll tell you which numbers fit where for the population density. After that, I want you to read the settlement factors. So why people choose to move to certain places. There's a short video there again, and then the settlement factors reading. And this is things all from economics to financial to political reasons to the availability of food and other products to but why people move and where they move to where. So read that. There are 4 or 5 short questions in here, and then you can jump in and answer those questions. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Next week, I'm going to post a project for you. That's right, I'm going to do a project, and that'll probably be the next couple weeks worth of work. It'll be a larger project. You're basically going to get to create your own sustainable town, but more details on that later. I will post that probably by the end of the week into early next week as well with a video explaining the steps that I'm looking for you to do there and how you can choose to do that. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions, and hope everybody's doing great. Get outside. Beautiful sunny day today if you can. Take a walk, take some pictures, some stuff that relates to geography that you see, maybe different rocks, trees, landforms, shapes. Even look at the way your neighborhood is laid out. That might link into this reading about settlement design. Anyway, let me know. I hope you guys are having a good one and enjoying what we're doing.